Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We've got a pretty good video for you guys today. I'm going to show you here after we check this trap what the toms were doing yesterday. It was like a stinking royal rumble in that pen. They were just going nuts on each other. They're all getting along today, it looks like, for the most part. But we're going to go check this trap and see if we got another hedgehog. What do you think, Hunter? Think we got another hedgehog?
No. I did not think it was a hedgehog.
Oh, well, let's go see. Alrighty, well, we're here at the trap and...
Nothing.
Nothing. Why didn't we catch anything?
I don't know. Probably the trail's not big enough.
The trail's not big enough.
There's not any in there, very much.
Oh, yeah, we need to rebait it maybe with some more bait, huh? So there's a lot. Think that'll work?
Yeah, it was really hungry. It said that wasn't enough food. Let's see this.
What do you think, Hunter? What can we do to make our chances better of catching this thing?
Put more food in there. Put more food in.
Put more food.
Let's see if Panther can go in that.
We'll come back and do that here in a little bit. Right now, we need to go check on those T-posts we made, don't we?
Yeah. To see if they're dry.
And we need to feed and do all that good stuff. We should probably feed first, huh? They're probably hungry.
The goats.
The goats and Ruth and Eeyore, you think they're hungry?
Yeah.
Hey, we got good news, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
What's the good news? Was there any cows out today?
No.
So what's that mean?
Good news.
It means our fence repair worked.
Oh.
All right, guys, let's go feed. Then we'll drag them T-posts over there and get them hooked up.
I have to let them out by poking.
Make sure they don't come out.
Okay, I'll be poking. Poke, 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 poke. Get that. They eat so weird. Look at Lucy. Look at yourself.
Hey guys, so these toms are fighting it out. They're not backing down. I've broke them up and broke them up and broke them up, and they just keep going back at it. It clearly is becoming that time of year. So it's clearly becoming that time of year here. The weather's getting warmer. The birds are firing up. I think it's about breeding season because they're all just on each other. It's not like they're picking on just one of them. I mean, it's like a royal rumble in here. And that little Jake's not backing down. Hey, look at it. Look at it. See, I'll do that and I'll walk right back around here. Look, and they're at it again. So, well, hopefully they all make it through this stage of whatever it is that they're doing. Like I said, I've tried breaking them up and tried breaking them up and tried breaking them up, and they just won't quit fighting. Hey! But hopefully they all make it. Alrighty, when I'm coming over here, we're going to check these T-posts. I don't know what's up with this camera. It keeps shutting off. I think it's some of the same issue that it's not really set up all the way yet. Same issue that That one's not either. Probably gonna let it set up a little longer. Maybe another day. It's been almost 24 hours. Still not done. So that puts a damper on things. Well, you're not gonna get to see that today. Maybe tomorrow.
Get out.
Oh, I don't need them now.
Man.
I know. Thanks for bringing them though. Sorry.
Do you still have a four-wheel ride? Four-wheeler
You
ride?
want a four? That's not my four-wheel keys.
I know.
That's
But
keys.
I know I'm gonna take this back in, and you guys are gonna pick me up.
I am.
Yeah, I want a four-wheeler ride.
Ready?
Yep. Sorry, sir. We can make it with the camera. I got it. Whoa. And that's the one going out. And it will be higher than that. Yep.
Hold on to me, don't let go. Okay, I'm gonna go up this hill. Feather. All right, well, we got some uncharacteristic bait here.
We got some hamburger.
We got some leftover cheeseburgers. For whatever reason, Hunter grabbed them out of the fridge.
No, Mama did.
And we got some
Cilantro.
cilantro. Does Mama know we got her cilantro?
Yeah.
Well, if not, she's about to find out.
Well, she gave them to
So we're
us.
going to make a little trail from this hole back in the trap and see what happens. You think we'll catch something this time?
We might like make a trail with that and then put the hamburger meat in there.
Okay. Cilantro.
Good job.
Well, I'm going to catch something else.
We might catch two things. What the hamburger, please? And just set the trap. We caught hamburger.
I bet we'd catch a big old fat coon putting this hamburger meat out here. What would you guys think if we caught a big old coon?
Those things are mean, so.
Yeah, they can be.
If it was a baby one, what would I would love that if it was a baby coon. Where's that square in my face? Where's that square in my face?
All right, we got a cheeseburger cilantro trap here. So,
Cheeseburger cilantro.
cheeseburger cilantro. I'm guessing we catch a coon if we catch anything. Maybe a possum, I guess. I don't know.
Raccoon.
Probably a raccoon. Probably big old Rocket Ricky. Think so?
Yeah. Yep.
All right, well,
I'm guessing two.
you think we're going to catch two of them?
Probably. No.
Oh, you're guessing that also?
Yeah. I'm guessing that they're gonna I'm thinking we're going to catch a raccoon. That's what I think we're going to catch.
All right.
That's my guess.
You guys ready?
Yep. For what?
Go play some baseball?
Wait, first we had a little ride. Remember when you made us jump up in the air?
No, I don't remember that.
He always made us crash.
No.
No, he didn't. He never.
Thank you, sissy.
He went high up and went scram.
Nah,
Yeah, you did.
nah.
Oh.
I believe sissy.
Yeah, he believes in me. I'm older than you. You have a tiny brain. I not like a baby
You got
brain.
a tiny brain.
I got a big brain.
Alright, well, we just got this trap set. We're going to head back and I guess I'm going to give them a little ride and then you'll see us maybe tossing a softball, baseball, see if they can hit it. Alright guys, we'll see you on the flip side. Alright guys, well just got done giving the kids a ride on the four-wheeler, pulled up, seen another oil leak on Dutch's log splitter. I remember some of y'all talking about a leak. Well, I found it. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up real quick while I got you guys here. So I don't know if you can see it. It's just fitting right here. That was it was like hand tight. I'll go get a pair of channel locks and we'll tighten that up. Ooh, zoom that thing back out. Alrighty, she's good as new now. Shouldn't be leaking any more oil. So that's good. That'll save some money. Alright, we're going to go inside and see if I can find their baseball gloves. We're going to come out and throw them some pitches and just see how good they hit. Season will be here just in a couple weeks, so it's time to start sharpening up on the old baseball skills, ain't it?
Wham! Yay!
Alright guys, we'll catch you in the yard. Oh! Easy.
That was a good one. That's how you sit. That first one was really good, huh? Yeah,
Really?
that first one was awesome.
See how hard he's swinging now?
That one scared me. That one went far. Yeah.
I'll try to get you a better pitch here in a minute, okay? Ready?
Whoa.
Think you can hit this big softball?
Pretty sure I can. Take it head, girl.
Okay. His face. Ready? Well guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you like this video, Hunter, what do they need to do?
Hit that like button.
Yeah, and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, More at Homestead, make sure you
Like and subscribe.
and
Ring that notification bell.
ring that notification bell. I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for checking out our video today. We didn't get done what we wanted to, but we was able to have a little fun, have a little family time out in the yard, practicing some baseball. Hopefully tomorrow we can get those T-posts set up and finish fixing up that fence. Hunter, what are you doing? So that's all we got on today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Bye.
God bless.